Are you craving for Filmex food or gusto mo lang itry? Well, go-to place ko ang Cilantro Filmex Cantina located dito sa may Kapitolyo, Pasig. Most of the time, jam-packed ang resto na ito, especially after office hours and even during the weekends. Hindi nawawala sa order ko dito itong favorite ko na nachos. Plain nachos ang una naming in-order for 240 pesos. Dito, mabubusog ka na agad kasi ang rami ng servings nila. Pero medyo nabitin so umorder din kami ng beef nachos for 380 pesos. This time, pinahiwalay namin yung beef na toppings. Masarap talaga yung toppings na beef na ina-add nila kaya worth it din na piliin ito. Also, pwedeng-pwede kang mag-unli refill ng dip if you want more. Ang sunod naming in-order is chicken burrito worth 250 pesos. Sobrang malaman, siksik at masarap talaga. Good for two ito actually. Next naman naming in-order ay ang grilled pork chop worth 360 pesos. Masarap and dalawa na yung kasama nilang pork chop slices. Para di nakakaumay, pinigaan namin ng lime. May kasama na rin itong 1 cup of rice. So, bill reveal na. Ang total bill namin ay umabot ng 1,275 pesos and 43 centavos. Included na ang 8% na service charge. Overall, the food here is consistently delicious, though there can be a bit of wait during peak hours. Take note na they only accept cash sa transactions nila. And that's it, finders. Bye-bye!